Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I am going to express my personal views on automobile stocks, a few of the automobile stocks, whether these stocks will give a value buying opportunity in the month of June or these stocks will give aggressive trading opportunity both in equity as well as F&O segment in the month of June, in the entire month of June. So I have selected four different automobile stocks for you. In this list, I put Eiger Motor as a top company. Eiger Motor recently closed with the price 2626. I used to consider this kind of prices as magical numbers 2626. Eiger Motor is having a very good trading opportunity in the month of June, I think, because for the past 3 months, Eiger Motor did not perform well in the trading platform. Most of the time, the Eiger Motor comes to a positive side, then it was not able to sustain its level. It will come down to the negative or red zone. So, with respect to my recent research and tracking of this particular script, my levels are in the month of June. If it moves in the positive direction, it will go to another magical number like 2828, 2828 is next target. If it crosses this particular level, it may even go up to 3003, another magical number. So these are the price levels I am considering in the month of June, both equity as well as F&O series. As far as option traders are concerned, you can focus on your eyesight just above the 3000 strike prices. And TVS Motor is the second stock I am considering in this list. TVS Motor has a recent closing price at 635. I mean to say that the day on which I am recording this video, that is 25th of May. If it goes in the positive direction, so it may go to the shuffle of the numbers. So 635 will become 653. So this is purely a Wildman thought, not technically, not fundamentally. It's my Wildman thought. If it goes to 653, it may even go up to 678, another jolting of numbers. So number play. And third stock, I am considering Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, most of the time in the month of March, April and May, Tata Motors made a massive attempt to go to the positive level as well as negative level. So it gave trading opportunity on both sides. But only thing is, it's a very tricky stock. It will always make you to meet trigger of your stop loss. So it is tricky stock. Once you understand the price movements of the Tata Motors, you can easily make a jolly ride with Tata Motors. So Tata Motors has a recently closed price 315. If it goes to the positive direction, it may go up to 335 and then 354 is my next immediate target. But earlier I gave one particular target about 404. I hope that the 404 level will be achieved in the month of July or just end of June. And fourth stock in this list is Hero Motor Corporation. So Hero Motor Co had a recent closed price 2931. So if it goes in the positive direction, it may go up to 3300 level. I'm not looking for behind this 3300 level. It may make a very struggle movement to cross above this 3300 level. And apart from these four stocks, I have two other stocks, but I'm not focusing on these two stocks in this list. The one is M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. Other one is Maruti. So both are the passive stocks, and Maruti is not coming to the traders zone. And apart from the list of automobile stocks, here I have two stocks from the allied category of automobile. So one is the Motherson Sumi. Motherson Sumi will give it a highly trading opportunity in the month of June in futures and option, particularly in option segment. Another stock is a wondering magical stock. I used to say that magical stock. This Apollo Tires. Apollo Tires may give 2 or 3 times high trading opportunity with magical profits in the month of June. Don't miss this Apollo tire stock in the month of June to make money. So concluding this video, so I have given 4 stocks for you in automobile sectors and 2 stocks from the allied category. I am not considering the M&M and Maruti. I will put a separate video on M&M and Maruti. And apart from this video, I would like to express few of my points about Superfan. Superfan is a trading tips platform which is operating through WhatsApp. It's a private broadcast, personal broadcast group in WhatsApp. In this Superfans WhatsApp group, we used to give penny level option trading tips with the entry and exit. Penny level option trading tips is nothing but option premiums in the range of 10 paise, 20 paise, 30 paise to up to 90 paise. Such kind of options will be recommended to have intraday as well as positional trading with entry exit. Suppose penny level option trading tips is not available in the market, we used to give low priced option trading tips. Low priced option trading tips is nothing but to have one lot of stock. The entire investment may be around 500 rupees or 1000 rupees, sometimes 1500. Such a low priced option trading tips is also be given in this WhatsApp group, Superfans WhatsApp group. And apart from this, occasionally we used to give penny stocks in equity for long term wealth making. So these long term wealth making stocks are not tradable stocks. You just buy and stay invested for few years. So you can make a great corpus, great fortune for you, for your wards also. So the subscription for Superfans is 7,999 per month, 7,999 per month. So you can make your subscription either by Google Pay or Paytm or PhonePe to the WhatsApp number of this Bull Street. The WhatsApp number I give the WhatsApp number both in the comment section and the description. So you can make your subscription, join the Superfans. So enhance your profits. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.